Hello and welcome to another Cycletech Review unboxing. Today we've got a power meter Precision 3 Plus left-sided, so single arm only power meter from 4i. 4i, a Canadian company, and they've been producing power meters and sport tech for quite a while now. This one we've got now includes, I don't know if you can see on there, Apple Find My. So basically, if you've got an Apple phone, you can track this power meter and the bike it's connected to via the Apple Find My network. I think you can also access it via iCloud. So if you've got Android, you can get into it that way. We'll have to check that and we'll let you know. This is the new Precision 3 Plus. There's a Precision 3s out at the moment. This one is a pre-installed meter. You can actually send off your cranks and 4i will install them for you. It's like a 2-3 week turnaround, something like that. Looking at the back here, it's designed with patented 3D strain gauge technology. Apparently there are actually 3 strain gauges in this power meter. Not sure what they're measuring in 3 different planes, but there you go. 9 grams. Oh, this is a Shimano 7000. They haven't done the 7100 yet. That will probably be coming out later, but there's not much difference. I think it's basically like a cosmetic difference, so it's not a big deal. 9 gram weight, plus or minus 1% accuracy, which is kind of standard for most power meters nowadays. 800-hour battery life, which is pretty impressive. As well as the Apple Find My bits technology it's built in. Oh, and it's Apple. It's Bluetooth and Ant Plus compatible, obviously. It also has a automatic terrain selector. Not quite sure how that works, but anyway, let's get inside and see what we've got. Nice little mountain there, bit of colour. Basically it's telling you what you need to do. Install your power meter crank arm, wake him up, pair him, do the 0 offset, and off you go. It looks pretty straightforward. There's the power meter. Let's see if we can get him out. Yep, here we go. It's got a little plastic wrap. Oh, sorry, knocking the camera there. Oh, that's quite nice, so it's easy to get out. And there's our 105 power meter there. Your battery's underneath this little cover here. It's got a knurled edge, so it's easy to remove. That looks pretty straightforward. And inside it's got some instructions about how to connect to the Apple Find My app. You remove and reinstall the battery 3 times to trigger the Apple My pairing mode. Well, that's a bit odd. So you've got to basically take the battery in and on and off. So it's basically turn it on and off for 3 times, and that will access it. You get a little sticker there. I'm going to be putting this on my Handsling CEX Evo, which is my gravel bike. I use it for pretty much everything, but it's mainly for gravel racing and cyclocross. So I'll be putting that on there. I'll put a preview up, and then once I've had time to play with it, I'll let you know how it performs out in the world. So there you go, the 4i Precision 3 Plus power meter, left-sided only, like I said. And I'll put a review up, let you know how it goes. Thanks, guys. Bye.